Oh, I've got the Osoeri smart bird feeder with app. So I've got it all set up and ready to go. It's already been in use. I'm going to show you some of that footage. But so I've got it mounted. It's mounted. The bird feeder is mounted to this mount back here, and I have it wrapped around with this Velcro strap. It comes with all of that. So I have this wrapped around this fence post. You could also wrap it around a tree. There's also this thing right under here where you can mount it to a post that's stuck into the ground. You can also use this mounting hardware that it comes with and mount it to like a wall or something. There's also the solar panel that's mounted at the top of the fence. You can mount that to a wall. You can mount it straight to the back of the mount right here. Amazing. So charge it during the day from the sun, and it's just always working. So basically, once it's on, you can either take the chimney off, or you can open it up, dump bird seed in there. So the bird seed's dumped in. Now, as the birds come in, it empties out. So it just keeps refilling itself. So it stays full for a long time. So this is mounted on here, and this is for hummingbirds. I actually caught one earlier that I'll flash to right now. But straight up, this has been catching birds. Like last night, I installed this last night, and it didn't really get much right at first. It was late at night, it didn't get much. But overnight, the word got out, and all day, straight up all day, it's just been birds just nonstop, just hitting. I'll just flash to tons of birds right now in the video because it's been crazy. So the app, so basically right here, you're gonna hold your camera up to that spot. You're gonna click it. Then it's gonna pull up basically the website. You're gonna hit open, and you're gonna download it. I've already downloaded it. So all I need to do is open it. And from here it opens, and you can sort of see us standing right there. But so that's a live shot right there. If I click that, that'll be live. I'm gonna just click. I'm gonna go to the settings first, actually. So you can set it so the motion detection is high, medium, low, whatever the duration, all that. You can set the notifications so that it notifies you whenever a bird is caught if you want it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up here into, this is all the birds we've been catching. So as you can see, it's just like nonstop. Lately, it's just straight up like every like 5-10 minutes, there's just a bird, and it's just like, let's just click on one just so you can see it. And actually, you know what? I don't need to click on it because I'm flashing to tons of birds. Like right now, I'm flashing to tons of birds that you can watch. So all in all, like straight up, this is sweet. Like I actually think it's sweet, especially if you're like a bird watcher, you're just super into birds. Like it's just sweet. And the other thing I want to show, here's the camera. And so at first, I had this more angled up. So you just push it, and it angles it up. And I was sort of like, it wasn't getting a good angle. So all I had to do is come out here, push it down right there, and I'm getting a better angle. It's showing the birds better. And I just think this thing is amazing, and you need to get it.